Hello YouTube, this is Butterbeer. This is my mean cat, and my host today is Haley, and she is going to step up to him.
I'm so scared.
He's the meanest cat in the world.
Hi, kitty. He's making weird noises. I never heard a cat growl.
He's growling. Look at that mean thing. He's only good to
You
me.
should have named him Devil Cat.
We'll name him Devil Cat.
Go pet him.
No, he's really good to me, but he's just very, very bad. Let's see if he likes the camera. He's the most evil cat in the world. Look at him. Look at this face.
Kitty, kitty.
Look at how mean he is. He was just sleeping, and now he's just too mean. You know, you heard about Grumpy Cat, but he is the world's devil cat. Haley, do something. We've done absolutely nothing to him. He's just an ornery old boy.
Oh, God.
He's an ornery cat. He is the sweetest thing to me, but he doesn't like anyone else. So he's mad right now, so he will be mean to me, but there we go. We're doing nothing to harm him. He's just very, very mean. So there you have it, guys. My cat, the world's most ornery cat, the devil cat. Thanks, guys. Bye.